Okay, people, I've successfully figured it out. Now, if you've heard my videos for a long time now, you'll notice that there is a buzzing noise coming from my microphone, and I figured it out. It actually has to do with electricity, any not any sort of microphone booster, not that your microphone's too loud, but electricity itself. You see, I just watched a video also recorded from a web camera, and they said that it's actually coming because your computer's plug is not grounded. Like, it doesn't have that third prong like the PS3 power cord usually does, or a standard desktop computer usually does. So, here, let me show you the difference. Right now you're hearing my computer plugged in with the power cord. Now, if I take out the power cord, listen closely, as you see, there is no humming noise any longer. But if I put it back in, the humming noise has resumed. And that's probably because I'm plugged into a power strip. I've never actually had this problem before, but yeah, if anybody's wondering what their microphone, particularly a headset, if anybody's wondering what that humming noise is, it's not your settings for your microphone, it's pure electricity. All you need is to ground your computer. Either plug it into a regular socket or plug it in somewhere else that is not a power strip. Thank you.